Okay, that's all done. That's female and male. Again, don't forget, just double click to change the parts that you actually want. I'm now going to create the spider. That's what links both the male and female together. Now I could do it in there, but I've got the dimensions that I require. So I'm just going to do it as a new drawing. So just go into File, go into New, go to Part, OK. I'm going to File, Save As. I'm just going to call this Spider. Funny name for it because it has no legs. Actually, what I'll do here is Spider. I'll just put this year 18 because I've done this previous. Okay, so new drawing, go to Sketch, Sketch. It doesn't matter which plane, I'll do the top plane this time. And again, I'm going to use my rectangular tool, what I call corner tool. So there, to about there. And then just put some dimensions on to make sure I've got it right. So that there should be 19.05. Give it a tick. And I'll do that one there. Again, 19.05 because I know it's square. Give that a green tick. And then I'll go to Features and Extrude. Lost base. And I want to do it to 19.05. 19.05. Give it a green tick. And therefore, okay, that's my spider cube. Alright. Now, if I want to get these holes in, and these are on all 4 surfaces, not the 2, but I can do this basically as you know, two cuts. So go to Sketch, Sketch. Now I'm going to go to Circle, and I'm just going to put on that surface a circle there. Okay, and I need to position it. Now, because I don't need to put center lines in because I've got datum points there and there. So just go to Smart Dimension, there to there. If you don't have the dimensions, you just put a center line in from midpoint to midpoint. And I know that is 9.53. Okay, so that's that one, and I need to do one from there to there. And again, 9.53. Okay, and then give that a diameter, and that is again 9.53. Right, so let's just go to Features, Extrude, Cut. Make sure that's on through all. Okay, that's one bit. I'll go around another face and do exactly the same again. So Sketch, Sketch. On that face there, go to Circle. Circle there, just give a little bit of a dimension from there to there. Okay, that should be 9.53. And again from where am I going this time? Get my head round straight. There to there. I'm going to do that at 9.53. Okay, and then dimensions from there to there. Now, I think that is 9.53, and I could, if they're in the same sketch, actually just make them equal. But that's that. And Features, Extrude, Cut. I pick up on the last one, and it's through all. Through all. And there we go. And you'll notice inside you've got that little crosshatch element there. So that is the spider done.